Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the Shark Navigator Upright Lift Vacuum. I really like this vacuum, and it picks up so much hair and so much dust. It's unbelievable every single time. I love that it has the clear section, so while you're vacuuming, you actually see how much dust and dirt and dander and everything that comes up from your room, and it's disgusting, but it also feels really fulfilling. Like you're like, yes, I did an awesome job. So I like that it's super easy to dispose of and to clean. It has all of the different filters in it. It has the filters down here at the bottom, the HEPA filters, and then inside as well. And then you just, as long as you maintain them and clean them or replace them, then your vacuum maintenance always is up to speed. And it also has a really good extension for the hose and the way that it comes apart. And of course, this is the lift-away vacuum, and so that means that the entire base of the vacuum can be separated, which makes it easy for vacuuming stairs or when you don't want to have the bottom of the head on it, and then it doesn't make it as heavy. If you're tired of having all of your long hair scattered around the house, or pet hair, or just having all the everyday dust and dander in your house, don't live with it. Vacuum it up right with the Shark vacuum, and it's going to make your house super clean. It's really easy to use, and it makes everything clean and better, and that's my point of view.